Welcome to this week's video. So I am exhausted with a capital EX and treating myself to some homemade strawberry ice cream made with stevia instead of sugar, and fresh strawberries, and all the other stuff is fresh and organic. So it's very yummy. And anyway, I think after 22 miles on the road bike, I earned some ice cream. I won't be eating all this. I won't be eating the whole pint, but since Tom's ice cream has real sugar in it, I can eat it out of the pint and then put it back in the freezer. So yeah, this was the first real ride on my outdoor bike since the whole fiasco last year. So I probably was a little over ambitious. In fact, I may be a little sore tomorrow because I had no idea how much the wind was going to kick up for the trip home. But I just did 22 miles after, again, nothing since last September. It was a really wonderful 22 miles. It felt good to get back out there. I just went to New Era, had a little salad, and rode home. And yeah, the ride home was crazy. So anyways, back to this week's vlog. Welcome. It was my birthday the other day, so I knew I was gonna kind of be pretty unmotivated over the weekend and kind of play it loose and not hold myself to having to do anything. So I'm sharing with you some highlights from Kenya. I did work on the video, but I knew I wasn't going to have fresh content and time to work on a video. So it is a fresh video. And some of the content I haven't shared before. Some of it is just little favorites, bits and pieces of our adventure. So I hope you enjoy. There's lots of animals. There's some, oh good grief, my dog just shook his beard on me. That was gross. So anyway, so there's going to be a lot of animals. There's some people, just some happy moments and some wonderful times that we had while we were there. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to hit all the buttons down below, like, subscribe, comment, get those notifications, whatever the case may be. Definitely helps me out on YouTube. So yeah, enjoy.
See it all in your
above your head. As much as I hate to say it, I think that's a wrap for Kenya. Which for me means I got to start coming up with some new content. So yeah, time to start making some plans and showing you around West Michigan. I can't say for sure you won't see any more from Kenya, but yeah, I think it's time to take a break. It was really nice doing this for my birthday because it brought me back there, and I brought in some of the happy moments. For me, looking back on creating this video, it's the people that give me the chills and the goosebumps and bring that bittersweet lump in the chest. Seeing the smiling, just kind, wonderful, authentic people, and everyone that we ran into was just phenomenal. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, next week will be a surprise. I have no idea what I'll be showing you, but it'll be great stuff, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks.